I think it is enough. How many router is there? 7.
You didn't check the message I sent to you, right?
No, I didn't get your message.
No, it's on your
Send me here.
other. It's okay. I should send it here.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
So I need to do it again, or I should leave this lab? Let me know.
Maybe you need to do it again.
Right? Because
It will.
R5, R6. Okay, got it.
Okay.
So in this here we have to do lower lower one layer. One more time, lower one layer. This is I am making area 1 or
It
area
says
2.
cannot move object to a lower layer because it is locked.
No, no, no. I unlocked already.
Okay.
Yeah. So just, oh my God, this is also lock, I think. I can make duplicate of this if duplicate option is there. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Or you can add one more router, it doesn't matter. Just do this one, okay? Or you can remove this R2 also if you want. So no problem. Just do this lab because that is very long lab. Sometimes it's creating problem there. So I think now it's okay. This is here I took 7 routers, but I'm taking only 6 now. So area 1, 0, and 2. So I will write here area 1, area 0, area 2. Yeah, that's it. What about your introduction process? It's going on, or you forgot that thing? I think we have sound.
No, we will still have it.
You can take this link, okay? Here it is easy to take. Just don't forget your introduction, right? Because I'm trying
All
to
right.
complete this thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
When you will get job, so this thing you will understand slowly, slowly. First, my
Okay.
priority to get job, but this is basic. That's why I'm doing it.
Yeah. We know.
Okay, now it's completed. So all this is ospf area 1, area 0, area 2. Every area should be connected to this area, backbone area. You can write here
The
also.
middle area.
Yeah. Area 0, it's my backbone area, not middle.
Okay.
Backbone. It can
Backbone
be
area. All right.
anywhere. It doesn't matter. It should be in middle. Okay. It can be in last also. So area will add, up and down. Suppose that it is in last. So area will add then here like this.
Okay.
So it doesn't mean it should be in middle. But in the most of the cases, you will find in the middle. Because
All right.
if anything is in the middle, so you can add more things there. Okay. Let me put here network address /24. It would be little big lab, but it will clear your concept. If you can do this lab, so you can do easily any configuration. So I will
But
try to save my time. I will use default route. Okay. Yeah, this is point one. Point one means 10.1.1. And this is point two. Means 10.1.2. So let me bring out here, make duplicate. Duplicate. Okay, so many. Point two. Okay, it's done. Point one, point one, point one, 20.1, 20.2, 20, 31, 32, 41, 42, 51, 52. Yeah, it's done. So it's just a IP address I'm writing in form of point one. Suppose that 10.1.0. So I'm writing here 10.1.1. Point two is missing again here. So if I'm writing point two means 10.1.1.2. If I'm writing 20.1.1 means 20.1.1.1. Okay, I think you understand this thing.
yes. What about the S2/0?
Where is this? S2/0. Okay, it is here.
Yeah, those. What about them? What does it stand for?
From area 2? In which area?
They from area one, area
Yeah,
0, area 2, you have S2/0,
yeah. S2
S2/1.
slash 0, what I'm taking 10.1.1.2. Okay. In S2 slash 1, according to
Yes.
IP address, just see there. S2 slash I'm taking 20.1.1.1.
Okay.
Just see there. If I'm taking 20, I'm taking IP from this network. Okay. So 1 means
All right.
20.1.1.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And this 2 means 20.1.1.2. Same thing here.
Hmm.
30.1.0. Point 1 means
Okay.
30.1.1.
Okay. Okay.
30.1.1.2.
Okay. IP address.
40.1.1. 40.1.
40.1.1.2.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
showing your last digit. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
I hope now it's clear. Yeah. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let's assign IP fastly because it will take a lot of time. Otherwise, So I will try to make it smaller so you can also see this thing. Okay, just need to add I nothing 10.1.1. Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, S2/1, then no shut, exit. Okay, then R3, S2/0, IP add 20.1.2. Only this process will take time. IP add. ospf is easy here. No shut. Uh, if IP will be wrong, so again my ospf get trouble. So IP should be right. So you have to watch I am assigning right IP or not. Just focus there. Okay, last router. Okay, IP is done on all router. So if you want to verify, you can verify, but I know it would be right. So I'm not verifying it, but you can verify show IP interface brief, but it's very long. So you can use one more shortcut command, show IP interface brief, then assign. So which you configured, it will show that information.
Okay.
So this is very good command to see, what you have configured. So it will show you that only that information on the interface. This basic command will help you a lot.
Show IP interface brief, pipe
Then
E
assign.
assign.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it will tell you just right now what you configured on interface.
Okay.
Present configuration on interface. Okay. So I
Okay.
am using router OSPF default. Default means I'm not using whole network. But this is first lab. I think I should use maybe long process. Okay, let me start long process, not shortcut.
Better.
Yeah. So I will use same router. I'm taking OSPF 1. You can take anything up to 65535. You can take 100, no problem. 1, no problem. 11, no problem. Whatever. Then you have to advertise network and see R1 I have 10 network.
10.1,
Yeah.
1.0,
And then wildcard mask.
55.
Then area 1, which is which on which area this router, in which area. Then R2. R2 we have two network. You can check there. Just see, IP address on R2. 10 IPs there, 20 IPs there. That means I have two network there. Just area should not be wrong. If area is wrong, So it will do mistake. Okay. Now R3. R3 is also
Sorry,
simple. Yeah.
sorry, Ashish. Where you put in 10.1.1.0.0, can't we put 255, 255.0?
No, you cannot put 255, 250. Why? Because ospf doesn't support. Let me show you. It doesn't support subnet mask. I am in router 3.
Okay, okay,
Router 3. Wait, I am in router 3, right?
yeah,
Router 3 in middle of 20 and 30. And it is
yeah.
middle in area 1 and area 0.
No, to-
So let me take first 20.0. I will show you shift and question mark you can use for next command. Shift and question mark. So it is showing me ABCD OSPF wildcard bits. Uh, Means like Linux you use minus H for like if you want to
yes.
help. So same here
Mm-hmm.
you can use here shift, press shift, hold shift and then
Question mark.
question mark. So it will show
Okay.
you next step. So next step is showing I have to use wildcard means I don't have another option. That's why I'm using. So 0.0.0.255. If you will try to use, so it will show invalid.
Okay.
Then it is showing area. Which area? So you have to check out because you are in middle router now R3. This router here. So this area, half in this area and half in this area.
From this, yeah.
So right now I am doing configuration of 20. So that's mean it is in area 1. So I will put here area 1, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
So, so I think the question was, so now wildcard is converting the subnet mask, right? Yeah.
A wildcard is
You're converting the subnet mask, right?
no, I
Instead
convert
of it to, yeah,
I
instead of
con
it, you say because it's slash 24, right?
yeah,
That's what I'm saying, because it's slash 24. So what I mean converting, instead of 255, so we convert it to 000
Zero, zero, slash
255.
255. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
slash 24 subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. But wildcard mask is
Okay.
0.0.0.255.
Okay. Okay. Now I understand. Okay.
I understand Yusuf was confused there. That's why I say it
Yes.
again.
That's why you have to come out back and make him
Yeah, so
explain
that
better.
you, because in the last class he teach us wild card, and he said sometimes you don't convert it like this. You have to use, because sometimes in the real environment it might not be 255 255, it might be 25
Zero
24 something. So you have to minus it.
minus. Okay.
Yeah,
To get you. Okay.
to,
Okay.
to get the wild card.
Yeah. I understand.
Yeah, let me. I think you forgot again. No problem. It's not a big issue because in every new technology we forget a lot. It's not a big problem. So suppose that if you have slash 24 network, right?
Hmm.
So subnet mask, this is the subnet mask.
Yes.
So if you want to know what is the wildcard of this subnet mask, so simply you have to divide in global subnet mask. Sorry, subtract, not divide. Subtract. So you will
Okay.
get your wildcard mask.
000. That's 25. Okay. Okay. Now I remember.
That's why I wrote here.
Yeah, yeah, you wrote it. I remember now.
This was slash
Thank-
24.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, it was the question. I was thinking different thing. Okay,
area.
so area. So 20, I am in router 3. You have to see your source where you are. So I am in
Yeah,
router 3. Okay, I am in router 3 and I use 20 network and this is in area 1.
area 1.
Now second network. R3 has two network,
Hmm.
20 and one more is
And
30.
30. Yeah.
30 is in area 0. That's it. This information you have to confirm it.
Be careful. Yeah.
Area 0,
0.
then exit. Now R4 simply is in area 0. No need to do anything.
Okay.
Router ospf 1. And how many network on R4? 30 and 40.
40.
Oh, sorry. And 40. Just make it shortcut. Yes, see, everything is working now. Okay. Then R5. Again R5 in the middle. So just focus there. Router ospf1, then network. R5 has two network, 40 and 50. So 40.1.1.0, then wildcard mask, whatever you have. I have /24. 40 is in
Area.
area 0
Yeah, 0.
and 50 is in area 1. Just put 50 and area 1. Now last one
Area.
is,
Is it area 1 or area 2?
oh, sorry,
It's
sorry.
0.
Area 2, area 2. 50 is in area 2. Check there. On R5, check there. Where is 50? Could you tell me where is 50 on R5? On which area?
You said what?
It's on area 2.
Yeah, on R5, Yusuf, 50 network in which area?
Is in area 2.
Okay, great. That means,
No, you put area 1.
No,
yeah.
it puts no SH. It's removing that one he did
Okay,
before.
okay, no network.
That is how to remove it.
So remove it. Yeah.
Mm.
Now I add correct area. Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
let's save this configuration first. Otherwise, I will save all configuration, not this. Because if you will do any mistake in IP, so you will understand. Okay, router 1. Okay, router 2. I don't know what happened with packet tracer. Sometimes some lab doesn't work there. That's why I avoid now packet tracer. Packet tracer is basic tool. You can do basic things there. So I am putting all configuration from the beginning. So I will listen your introduction tomorrow. I will see what is the improvement of in what is the improvement in your introduction. Okay.
All right.
And I will give you some question, 5 to 10 question. 100% they will ask in the interview. 5 to 10 question. So you have to read that question. Only read. Okay, all configuration is there. Okay, so what I said before, this is my ABR router. ABR means which router in the boundary, area border router. R3 is my ABR router. And R5 is my ABR router. But how other router will get this is my ABR router? So you can check this. You can go on R1. If you don't know, you can simply type show IP ospf border routers. So here it is showing me 30.1.1.1. Is it my area border router? So let me check from R1. R1 is here and 30.1.1 is here. He said this is my area border router. First try to ping R1 to this 50.1.2 last IP. It should be ping. If it is not pinging, so something is mistake there. Obviously, something is mistake. So see, it is not pinging. 0%. So something is mistake there. You have to check if you get this problem. So just check show IP route and try to see every network. So see, I have 50 network. I am getting 50 network. But I am not receiving. I cannot ping. What is the problem? So I have to check on R6. 50.1.2. Yeah, it's right. It's correct. IP is there. Can you tell me what is the missing here? Just tell me. I just try to ping 50.1.2. Okay. I will tell you which router I have problem. Let me know what is the problem there. I'm trying this 50.1.2. I'm trying my connectivity. Is it working or not? Success rate is 0%. I know 50 problem will come by R5 or R6 because 50 network only on R5 and R6, right? In the middle of R5 and R6, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So problem will come between R5 and R6. So R5 I will check first. First step I will check my IP address. Show IP interface brief. This is my first step. So serial S2/0 40.1.2. Serial S20 40.1.2. IP is right. S2/1 50.1.1. Then second step, I will check my protocol. Show IP protocol. Yeah, ospf is running there. Routing protocol is ospf1. And you can check network information also. Then R6, because R5 is everything fine. First check interface information. Show IP interface brief. So IP is assigned there. See, serial 2/0. IP is right. Serial 2/0, 50.1.2. Then check protocol.
Yeah.
So see, I got my mistake.
Yeah.
I
So you
didn't
not
use any protocol here.
you not configure the core protocol there.
Yeah. So router ospf1, the network on R6 we have same network 50 and it is area 2, I think. Yeah, area 2.
Yeah, area 2.
Okay, that's it. So always you have to find problem. Where is the problem? That is the troubleshooting step. It will take time. It's not necessary. You will learn in within one day. Take time, but you have to find. First, you have to check your interface. Always check your interface. Something is down, something is up. So troubleshoot. Before, Cisco has, separate exam for troubleshooting. Now they remove, I think this is first step. Step one, check your IP. IP is assigned or not, or any interface down. Step two, you have to check running protocol. Whatever you are protocol running, is it configured right or not? Okay. So now this is basic step. I will try ping again, same IP. So see,
One
it
time.
started working. So that is the basic step. And if you want to see your border routers, so show IP ospf border routers. It will show you your border router. So R1 is saying I have one IP 30.1.1, that is my border router. So same thing. R1 is saying I have one IP 30.1.1, that is my border router, right? So statement is matching. Okay. Then one more thing. You have to use one more command if you are running any protocol. Show IP route ospf. Suppose that I am using EIGRP. So I will use EIGRP for a specific protocol. I am using RIP. So RIP. Right now I am using ospf. So it will give me only ospf route. So it is giving me ospf route. 50 is my ospf route. 320. It's coming by 320. You know what is this? Every serial link has a cost 64. Sorry, 64. Okay, let me put here 64, 64, 64, 64. This is the cost of serial link. So you can simply calculate 64, 64, 128. 64 plus 64, 128. From our 128 distance, I have ABR router. Let me check. Show IP OSPF border router. So 128. Because it's calculating this cost 64. Just adding it. Okay, this is the link cost, serial link. So 64, 64. If I want to see 50, so add this one 64, 64, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 64. You can add. So 5 times 64, this is standard, right? 1, 2,
320.
3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it should be 384, right? So I will check. I am getting any route from around 300. So show IP route OSPF. So see, only one route I am getting from 320, right?
Yes.
I think I calculated wrong. 5 times is
You
320.
calculated wrong. You calculate 6. Calculate 5.
Yeah,
It gave me 320 on my set.
yeah, 320 is right. So this is telling you distance. What is the distance of your router? 120 is, it is saying 128. I have a 20 dot this network address. So 64 and 64, 128, 20. So If you know this thing, it will help you a lot. You will get your distance. But this is also, you have show IP route ospf to, and one more command, show IP ospf neighbor. This will tell you your neighbor address. On every router. R2, if I will go, so R2 will show my neighbor. R2 is saying I have two neighbor and neighbor ID is 30 and 10. Neighbor ID is 30 and 10. Okay. So basically you can see like this also simply. Don't go for it. R2 has two neighbor, R1 and R3, right? R3 has two neighbor, R2 and R4. Just your next router is your neighbor. R1's neighbor is R2. So it is showing you that information here in command line. Okay. I hope now you can do it this lab, right? You
Yeah,
will
let
not.
me go practice. We'll figure it out.
Yeah, this is very basic lab. If you are getting any problem, so you can add here full IP like this. If you are any
Okay.
problem in understanding, one side you can add full IP, and second here you can put 0.2. So
And
you will
two,
understand 10.1.1, 10.1.2.
two. Yeah.
This is 20.1.1.
That's the two.
So you can add also like this. This is also good step to
Okay.
understand.
Mm.
Because sometimes what happen in the beginning, we forget.
Yeah, as a learner.
Yeah. So it's
That's
not,
true. 50.1.1.
so you can put like this also. You don't need to put in second interface. Second interface, you can make a idea. Yeah, it should be 30.1.2. That's right.
It
And one
makes
more,
sense like this.
yeah. And one more thing. One more command in OSPF, show IP OSPF database. This command will give you your LSA information. So there is two kind of LSA. First one is router LSA. And second one is ABR summary LSA. This one is third LSA. I will talk this thing in deep. Okay. But first, just I want you have to do this lab. Then I will talk this thing. What is this?
Okay.
It will also give you, too much explanation. If you can understand this thing, you can troubleshoot OSPF. One more
Yeah.
topic I have pending after this lab. I will start a topic ACL and plus net. It's very useful, like it's very important topic. This board topic, ACL and net. Access
What
control
is the
list,
meaning of ACL?
access control list, and network address
Okay.
translation.
Okay.
So we have access control list means we have to control my traffic. And
That's
network address translation means I will translate my address private into public IP.
hmm.
So we will see how I can control my traffic by ACL and how we convert my private IP to public IP.
Hmm.
Because in OSPF, after some time, we need this thing, ACL and that. That's why I have to teach you first this thing, right?